Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa for another video. I can't wait to show you the dry piece from my full inspired painting I did in my previous video. It turned out beautiful. I'm super happy with this, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So this is the 10 by 10 inch canvas. Take a look at this beauty. Look how gorgeous. And still, it only has the leaves in resin. I think I am going to leave the canvas and do just a varnish, just so that it has a two-tone kind of look to it. Tell me what you guys think about this one. It was a long video. I am so sorry for that, but this does take some time. But take a look at this beauty. Aren't you loving it? I love it. I love the colors. I love the background. It turned out gorgeous. And then you can do any orientation for this and, whatever you prefer. If you're interested in this piece, email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. So there you have it. Look how beautiful she is and perfect for this time of year. Beautiful. So we're going to move right along. I'm going to get into my painting. And this time, what I did was, I don't even know what we're going to be working on today. I'm still thinking. I'm still brainstorming. I want to put something a little different out there. Not just the acrylic flow, but more of a texture, a design, something more. So I'm thinking, well, you know what? Meet me down at the canvas and we'll find out together. I'll race you there. Okay, everyone, so here we are. And for the purpose of this video, I am using a wood panel that I have already done a piece of art on, but I am going to reuse it. So I am using modeling paste, okay, and this is Artist Loft. And we're going to create a beach design. So that's what I have kind of sketched at the top here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start at this back end here. I think I need a larger brush, but I'll try doing it with this one. Okay, to begin with this one. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to layer my texture first. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. We'll be back and work on it some more. Just want you to see the details of these waves that are going to be coming in. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put our paints down, our colors down. So all this is already dry. So I'm adding first Paynes Gray by Creative Inspirations, and this is going to be my back color, where this is always darker. So that's where I'm putting this down. And then in some places, towards like the bottom here, a little bit in here, and the back here. Now I am adding some Prussian blue Phthalo by Amsterdam, which is also another dark color. And it looks a lot like that shade, just a little lighter. So that I'm adding right in here. Okay. You can see a hint of a lighter color there. Prussian blue hue by Pebeo. Again, a little lighter than the one I just put down. Okay, perfect. Now I'm adding some turquoise blue by Amsterdam. Okay, that is looking really good. Really good. My next color is Deep Turquoise by Winsor and Newton. Okay, perfect. And now I have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Okay, and that looks wonderful. Okay, that is looking really good. Now for my edge here, for this end, I have Fawn by DecoArt. Just like that. Okay. And my next color is Buff Titanium by Pebeo. And I'm also going to add some Buff Titanium Light by Amsterdam. Okay, just like that. And I am adding some white at this border here, but I'll do that in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead, torch out my air bubbles. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna begin. Okay, everyone, so here is the beach, and love those waves back there. Look at that motion in the ocean. Absolutely beautiful. Tell me what you think about this, guys. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I will wait to see how this dries. I love how it comes over into the sand on this corner. I love it. We'll see how this one dries, but this is the ocean, and I am super happy with the details in this piece. Look at this. Once it dries, I'll bring you in and I'll show you. Thank you for watching me here on Fluid Arts by Elsa. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.